Hello, good day. Today I would like to talk about some of the preparation for the May. As has shared before, in May it will be more difficult to do trading based on historical data itself. So I think it's a good time to look into some of the stock that I have in mind. Some of the news that's happening, and also of course of their past history as well. So the three of them that I'm looking at is Alibaba. Hong Kong ticker is 9988.HK, SE, and Amazon. As usual, this is a personal opinion, and it's only for short trade, intraday to about 4 weeks. That means in 1 month. So overall, let's look into Alibaba, Amazon, and also see into some of their FA. The overall market, as mentioned, QQQ have no clear direction in April, in the month of April. It opened on 3rd April about 318 and closed about 323. So QQQ is basically Nasdaq indices. The height was 323 and the low was 31, and you can see that it breached the low somewhere last week for that month, and it's pulled out above the high, right? And in next Wednesday, we will be going to have a FOMC, the Fed meeting. So let's look into Alibaba. On the Alibaba itself, you can see that in 2022, the net income have dropped to about 62. Amazon was in negative, and C is also in negative, but it's lower than in 2021. So overall, please be aware that in revenue for Alibaba is in yen, whereas Amazon is in USD, and also in C is in USD. So if you look into Alibaba, revenue have been maintaining a bit outside, and you can see that the net income is also in the positive area. And in terms of free cash flow is dropping. So just bear in mind that revenue have went out, net income have increased, free cash flow is still in positive, but it's going downwards. Let's look into Amazon. Amazon itself, you can see the revenue is somewhat a little bit reduced, right? And the net income is barely there in the last few quarters. And in terms of the cash flow itself have been in negative, right? And starting from Q4, the Q4 itself, the free cash flow has started to go into negative area. And looking into C, we can see that there is some recovery in Q4 2022, where the net income become positive. Revenue is nearly almost the same. And where the cash flow itself have actually gone into the negative area in 2022, right? Overall, some of the area to focus on earning report is coming in for Alibaba in 25 days. They have institutions like Goldman Sachs, Holding Den, and Vanguard Fund. Earning report have just announced for Amazon. Vanguard, BlackRock are the holder in the institutional, and Vanguard Fund is the one that is holding them as well. For C, you have Barley Griffith. This is the same one as holding Tesla. So mostly looking into emerging fund. And of course, the Fidelity Series emerging fund that is holding MC. So with that, I think we can conclude that very interesting to see that in Alibaba side versus Amazon, they look quite decent. Of course, in terms of the free cash flow, all these three companies have shown a reduction into the free cash flow going downwards. Let's go into more in depth on the Alibaba analysis based on news and also based on their pricing. So on the right hand side, you can see that this is Baba in terms of the candlestick, and the one in green color is Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq movement and Alibaba movement based on percentage. And you can see in the curve itself, there is some icon like 1, 2, and 3. These are typically linked to the news. If you look into one happened somewhere in November 2022. And during that time, there was a lot of negative news about China, right? And in terms of the China situation where there's negative view, of course, Alibaba content based on research, given by research will be also more towards the downward side. As you can see that November 15, like from this research equity firm, they have talked about Alibaba, have a ranking of number 4, which is sell, right? 1 is strong buy, 2 is buy, 3 is hold. Then as going to number 2 was somewhere published in February 2023. You can see Goldman Sachs talk about China's stock surging as much as 24% by end of 2023. And from November to the range of February, in fact, Alibaba stock in Nasdaq, US, actually surged about 100%. So upon this news was given out in February, until now in 2 months' time, Alibaba stock had dropped about 40%, right? So you can see that there's 3 areas that Alibaba is working on. Firstly, there's a cut of price. So cutting price for core services from 15 to 50%, right? Starting on May 7, it means that Alibaba is now cutting their price for cloud services and artificial intelligence so that he can actually make his core business even more secure. Because today there are many new competitors, but not many of the competitors will have the financial backing of what Alibaba has, as we have seen in the previous slide on Alibaba net income, in terms of liquidity, in terms of their amount of capital. Secondly, you can see that in February, they have also laid off their employee. This reduced their operating income, which also gives them a much more stronger cash flow. So if you put in the first 2 news, basically they are targeting to go into a price war to reduce or kill some competition. Secondly, they have also improved their operating efficiency. And of course, lastly, they have such business that potentially it could be adopting some IPO, and each of them will have their own CEO and board director, which in any IPO, you will see, this is a projection opinion only, that if they listed in the market, there will be additional cash, coming into the company. So they are prepared to actually take on the world. If I'm not wrong, they are number 1 in China based on AI and cloud, but worldwide probably in the range of number 2 to number 4, right? So I guess they are actually preparing to go into such a war. So when a price slash is on top of core business, reduction in the pricing of share price is understandable, because it means that the net profit coming in will be impacted as well. So basically, such a move, a strategic move in corporate world for number 3, is not a sudden decision. There must be a lot of planning behind the scene. All right. Okay. So in short, a very short summary for Baba, whether it's you are buying in US or Hong Kong, I probably will put in focus. For C, it's going to be a speculative play as well. Amazon, the result have not just announced, no action yet. I won't be talking any action. And if you like to hear more on Alibaba, as I'm going to put in focus, I will be probably doing more technical analysis within the week, and the end of the week, usually on weekend, I'll talk about the indices. If you want to hear more about Alibaba and C, please like, comment, put in your comment, share, share with your like-minded community, subscribe so that I can get my latest analysis, my latest opinion, and thanks for watching. Have a nice 1st May, Labor Day holiday, and we'll talk again.